secret pet thing is no problem. I love his little birdie beak. I love his little birdie feet. I love his little birdie tweet. He's my secret parakeet. Yes, I have a little pet. He's a secret I have kept. No, I haven't said a single word about how I love my little bird. Love his feathers and his wings. I love it when my birdie sings. What joy my birdie brings. I love him like I love sardines. Maybe it's wrong to keep him near, but he makes me happy and brings me cheer.